So hi guys, this is Akshay and welcome back to Tech Binder. So today we are going to do one more unboxing and review video. Of course, earphones, and this time we are having a wired earphone from a company known as Marshall. So whether it's Sony, Sennheiser, Bose, Boat, Leaf, there are a number of brands. To be frank, I also haven't heard about these Marshall. So we are going to try these earphones and we'll let you know how good these earphones are going to be. So without any further delay, let's dive deeper and let's know more about these earphones. So here we are having these Marshall headphones. So these earphones are having the multifunction button, and with that multifunction button you can do a variety of things which is not possible with a normal wired earphone. And here are the frequency response for these, how they want to behave in various frequencies. Okay, so when we talk about the specification, these are having 9mm driver and impedance of 39 ohm and at the rate of 1 kilohertz. So the frequency response is pretty normal what a human ear can hear, and it is from 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. So let's unbox this and let's find more about these earphones. So here it comes, and here you will find a user manual kind of thing, I think. Yeah. So these are having a big bulky user manual guide. Wow. And if you wanna buy this, I would highly recommend that you go through this user manual guide. Keeping it aside, and here are our phones packed nicely into this box. Let's take them out, and here you will find extra pair of earbuds. So definitely you can use them according to your size, and here it is. So the packing is really nice and actually give you a sense of pride if you take them out pretty easily, but that was not in my case. So finally here we are having access to our earphones, and they really look nice, and these are having the ergonomic in design to fit perfectly in your ear canal, and which we are going to test in a couple of seconds. So talking about the cable is really pretty solid, and the build quality is also pretty great. Also you will find here a clip so that you can directly attach to your shirt pocket or anywhere wherever you want to attach it. Also it is having a single button control, but that can be used for controlling various things which we are going to tell in this video how to do that. And also a 3.5mm jack, and also it's a 90-degree head so that it fits perfectly onto your phone. So this is really great that they have used 90-degree jack. So even if you want to use your phone, if you want to keep it straight, it is pretty usable. And apart from that, if you want to pull it out and accidentally if someone tried to pull it out, it will not come out because the force is not in the direct axis, it is perpendicular to it. So they have given the microphone quite close to your mouth, so it would be very easy to transfer your voice. So let's see how good these are going to be once we plug it into our phone and fire the music app. So I mostly do wireless earphone unboxing and review, and I forgot that the wired still exists in 2019, and they also offers a very great response. So these are almost lag free. You will say that there is no distortion and no lag when you push the multifunction button. So if you want a lag free experience, then definitely no doubt the wired earphones cannot be replaced even in 2019. Okay, now when we talk about the play and pause, it works really great, and if you want to go to the next track, just double tap the multifunction button and you will be in the next track. So if a call is coming onto your phone, you can use these earbuds either to receive it or reject it. That functionality works really great on these earbuds, and I really love them for that, as they are giving a lag-free experience. So now let's talk more about the sound quality and comfortability. When we talk about the sound quality, it's great. So it's more like listening of classical and sad songs, and definitely then you're gonna enjoy the music. So it rests on your ear canal, and that works really great. And also it isolates around 60 to 70% of noise once these are inside your ears. So the fitting is really great, and also I love the button control. So it's a single multifunction button. You can do play and pause and even skip the track by using this multifunction button. And also the best part is that it is having a dedicated mic, so you can receive or reject call by using that. And what I love most is that the position of the microphone. The positioning of microphone is very close to your mouth, so it's going to work great.
and it would be a great earphone if you're going to receive call on these earphones. I really love the build quality of these earphones. It's really very premium, and you will find here the Marshall logo as well as on the earbuds. So that part is really great. It is also having a clip on, so if you want you can clip on the mic onto your shirt or your jeans pocket. So the choice is yours. You can go for like cheap earphones or you can go for premium earphones. It all depends upon your budget and your music taste. So the Best Buy link of these earbuds will be in the description. You can go and purchase it from there.
So thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the content, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed my channel till yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest video notifications. So this is all for today. Catch you in the next video. This is Akshay signing off.